I'm Aljon from the Rotary Club of Cebu Fuente, and what we're doing now is basically we're donating and giving off hearing aids for the deaf mutes in partnership with Starkey. And I would like to thank everyone who participated and who supported this event.
Today po, andito po tayo sa ating mass active care activity here po sa Cebu City. So we already had 2,200 patients na po na na-serve natin here.
We are JCI Metro Cebu Uptown and we support Starkey Hearing Foundation. Hey!
Dako kaya mong pagpasalamat sa Starkey Hearing Foundation nga akong bana usa sa nakadawat sa hearing aid.
Hello, this is Patrick, President of the Rotary Club of Cebu Fuente. We would like to thank our partners, especially Starkey Hearing Foundation, that we are able to help a lot of people, including one of our own, the child of our past president, Jomar.
Magpasalamat ko sa Starkey o sa Rotary Club of Cebu Fuente sa karon sa akong anak na gitagaan og bone conductor para at least maklaro yung hearing, no? At least makasugod na yung speech therapy. Salamat kaayo.